Another COVID-19 vaccine could soon be on the way for Americans. FDA advisors will meet today to review Moderna's candidate.
Now, Kathy Hernandez is live for us at the Texas Medical Center. She's taking a look at what doctors are saying about this vaccine and how many vials could be shipped out. Kathy, good morning.
Good morning. If Moderna's vaccine is approved, 6 million doses could be shipped next week to the vulnerable Americans. Frontline workers nationwide are receiving doses of the Pfizer vaccine. This one was the first in Houston at Memorial Hermann Hospital Tuesday. Within days, we could see a second option to help prevent COVID-19. Today, an FDA advisory panel will formally review Moderna's vaccine.
Next week, assuming the authorization by the FDA of the Moderna vaccine, we would expect to ship 5.9 million doses of Moderna vaccine.
We talked with Dr. Jennifer Whitaker, an infectious disease specialist with Baylor College of Medicine. She was one of the investigators who worked on the Moderna vaccine trial and says the two vaccines are very similar.
I would have no qualms with receiving either vaccine.
Both require 2 doses, with 28 days between the 2 Moderna shots and 21 days between the ones for Pfizer. Both are considered 95% efficient. But the Moderna vaccine is recommended for patients 18 and older, with Pfizer's vaccine can be administered to patients as young as 16. The Moderna drug can also be stored longer and at higher temperatures.
It might be a little bit easier to distribute the Moderna vaccine because it doesn't have to be kept at such a cold temperature.
And a cold temperature, meaning Pfizer has to be stored at negative 70 degrees Celsius. So that's absolutely very cold and has been difficult for some facilities. Also, you cannot mix the 2 vaccines, meaning you cannot get the Pfizer vaccine for the first dose and the Moderna vaccine for the second. They say a CDC card that you're issued when you get that first vaccine will say exactly what vaccine you received and on what date. Reporting live in the Medical Center, Kathy Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
All right, Kathy.